Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and well, what a month it has been. Throughout February, I and the other Crafty Coven members have been taking part in my event, #OnceUponATime, which was anything book or fairy tale related. So, first of all, I want to start by giving a massive thank you and shout out to all of the people and companies who have helped support the event through sponsorship of prizes, in no particular order. They are Crafting Cat UK for the lovely putties, BeeBeeCraft, who allowed me to purchase some items to go into goodie boxes. P.A.M Diamond Paints generously donated 2 $20 vouchers. Fallon Gems, a $25 voucher. Pixyls, who gave us one of their lovely pixel canvases that was around the theme of bookshops. Nick's Notions provided us with custom trays. The one with the diamond art were kind enough to give us a whole event long gift code that everybody could use to get 15% off, and also a £30 voucher. ARTDOT gave us a $10 voucher. I had Calb Sparkles make me up some custom cover sheets, and we have also, of course, got our UK sponsor, Sparkly Diamonds, who I will of course link down below as well. So they have been kind enough to give us a canvas for our UK members. So this is my, not entry because I wasn't really taking part, but this is the canvas that I completed as part of the event. I love her so much. I love the glow that she's got, even though there are no glow drills in this, and I sort of regret not adding any. She glows. I love the little bookworm down here. This is Bookworm Fairy by Hannah Lynn. It's from Bella Art Diamonds. She is in a 75 by 60 size in round. 53 colours. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Bella Sparkle Dust drills and 2 ABs, and she's just stunning. I'm so pleased. The only alteration I made was to her glasses on her head, which I swapped out for a 550 Sparkle Dust as opposed to a 550 regular drill. That's the only change I made. As I said, if I was gonna do this again, I would swap out this very light colour. I think it is, I think it's a 3823, which just edges around her wings. It's like a very pale cream, sort of edging into a yellow. I would have swapped that with a glow drill because I think that would have just finished her off nicely. But yeah, I love her. She's beautiful. I tell a lie. The other change that I made, completely forgot about this. I swapped out the key that she's wearing around her neck for some copper drills. Let me bring you down so you can see, so we can get the light to shine on them. It's difficult to make them show up. But yes, so these are a copper sparkler drill in here. But yeah, she's just lovely. The only problem I had drill wise was with the black drills. It's just one of those things, I suppose. I will show them to you. Let's get in here. Didn't run out of anything, had plenty of everything. And in fact, still had a whole bunch of black left over, plus some in a pot as well. So I had plenty, so I was able to pick out drills that I could work with. It was just a little bit frustrating that they were a bit clumpy, and I don't know why, because there were no other drills that did that. So I don't think it's a temperature thing. Let's see if I can. I don't know if you're really going to be able to see how they won't line up, because they are all stuck together like back to back to make a little ball. So yeah, those ones are fine, these ones are not, and so each time I was having to just pick out the ones that worked. So it did make doing those, you know, there's a lot of black in this, because Hannah Lynn's artwork, all of the outlines are in a black. So yeah, every single part of this is outlined in black, and it did make that a bit of a slog. It was not the most fun, but I was starting each section by doing the black, get the bit I didn't want to do out of the way, and then enjoy the colouring in process for the rest of it. But yeah, no complaints other than that. As always, Bella canvases are lovely to work on. They're a lovely soft back canvas, really good quality. I had her rolled on my desk while I was working, and I didn't lose a single drill, nothing popped off, everything was fine. Yeah, so really good there. In terms of trash, I'll just show you that just for the sake of, you know, there was a little bit, I think some of these bigger pieces were from, I've got a couple of ABs there that are stuck together because of the AB coating. The same there with some sparkle dust ones. But yeah, nothing problematic really. I actually don't mind larger bits of trash like this because they're easier to pick out and just be done with them. When it's, you know, misshapen drills, it's a little harder to spot. So that was all fine and dandy. As I said, yeah, didn't run out of anything. So much of everything left. I've got a fairly good sprinkling of the sparkle dust drills left as well, so those will be nice to go into my spares, and the same with the 2 ABs. So all well and good. These are definitely, other than the black drills, which I'm going to pop into my trash pot, which, looking at it, it's full. I'm going to need to start a new one. Other than that, everything else will go into my spares because I am more than happy to use them in other projects. So this one is finished now. The thing that remains for me to do is to draw the winner of the UK prize. So I'm going to do that now. And then following on from that, you will see the parade of everybody's efforts this month, everyone that submitted their photos to me so that I could share what they've been up to as well. So if you see a picture that you like, comment down below. Hopefully the person who worked on it can get in, into the comments as well. You can start a bit of a dialogue and they can let you know where you can find it. If you want to get hold of this one, this is available from Bella Art Diamonds, still available. They have got a lovely selection of Hannah Lynn over there. So if you like this style, this kind of cartoony, bold outline, gorgeous girls, big eyes, then they have got you covered over there. So I'm going to go and sort out the prize and I'll see you right back here. Okay peeps, so these are the names of the people who announced themselves as being UK participants of the event in the post that I put on Facebook. I apologise to anybody that didn't see that post. I did tag it for everybody, so for future, please make sure you've got your notifications turned on so that you don't miss out on future giveaways. But these are the people that are in for this giveaway. Thank you once again to Adam Sparkly Diamond for providing this prize for us. So let's see who the lucky winner will be. And it goes to... Oh. Is it gonna be? I think it is. Congratulations, Kate. Well done. So I'm so pleased. Well done you. I will pass your details on to Adam. I'll put you two in touch so that you can give him your details and he can pop that in the post to you. I think you'll really like it. So with that being the final prize given away, all the thank yous having been said, although I don't think I've got words enough to thank everybody for taking part and for helping organise the event and keep it running. I said in my live on Wednesday that, you know, an event is only as good as its participants, and if you guys don't take part, it's not really an event, it's just me doing a diamond painting. And of course, if our generous sponsors don't sponsor, then you just have to put up with prizes that I can come up with. So yeah, it takes a whole lot more than just me to run these events. So, but we need to put this one behind us now, move on to the other events that are happening throughout the year. There are so many. I do have a video which details just some of the many events that are taking happening this year, but there's always information on the Crafty Coven Facebook group as well of what events are going on, so do check that out if you haven't already. And so now on to the parade of crafty things that people have been up to this month throughout February. Thank you all so much. Please do stay to the end to check out what everybody has been up to. It means the world. As always, I'll do my little closing spiel now. If you like what I do here and you want to help support the channel, you can do so for free by liking, sharing, subscribing, leaving a comment down below, send it to a friend. Or if you want to help a little more directly, you can support the channel by becoming a channel member or a patron. If you do that, it is from as little as 99p per month. I will send you some stickers and you will get early access to videos. And if you join at the slightly higher tier, then you will get a goodie box in the month of your birthday and access to our Zoom calls as well. So I hope that's given you plenty of food for thought. Do let me know what events you're taking part in throughout the rest of the year. I'd love to know. And remember, let me know down below what your favourite piece of art or craft from the parade is. I'm going to leave this here. Enjoy the parade. Until next time, guys, stay crafty.